Okay, so let's keep going here. So continuing on in our estimating of square roots, ran out of time a little bit on the last one. So let's take a quick peek. This will be a short video just to try this out. So some true or falses. Let's take a look just to double check our steps that we did. So we found two benchmarks on either side. We found all the possible square roots in between. We found halfway, which represents 0.5, and we made our estimate in relation to the halfway point. So let's take a look at this. The square root of 15 is about 8.5. So what's the next highest? What's the next closest perfect square? So we'd have 16. So if we took the square root of 16, that's equal to 4. That's way off from 8.5. So definite no. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We don't even need to do anything else. We can just look at that and say, nope. The square root of 20 is about 4.3. Okay, so we know below the square root would be the perfect square would be 16. On the high end up here, we'd probably have square root of, what would that be? What would the next closest be? 25. Correct. Good job. Okay. So, and the square root of that would be 4, as we saw up here. Square root of this would be 5. So let's take a look and see. They're saying 4.3. So if we went in here, we'd have like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Loosely, oops, that 17 looks terrible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway, 17, 18, 19, 20 would be just a little bit above there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.3. Yeah, pretty close. 4.3, 4.4. We could probably give that to them as an estimate. It's a little bit below the halfway. I might go 4.4. Let's take a look at this one. The square root of 34 is about 5.84. So the lowest below there would be, our next lowest perfect square would be 25. And moving up above that would be, that's right, 36. Okay. 36 would be on this side. The square root of 25 is, that's right, 5. And the square root of 36, yes, that's right, 6. Thanks for always calling out the answers every time I leave a space. I really appreciate that about you. You are amazing. So 25. If we're looking for the halfway point, this is on one end. We have 34, 35, 36. This is pretty close to the end. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would actually be like right about there. So 5.84, pretty close. I think that one also should be a go. So when taking a look, remember, you can think about exactly where they are. When you're looking at this, we're looking for those perfect squares as we saw in our chart up here. This again would be a solid thing to like commit to memory. These multiplication tables of like the number times itself, so you knew what the perfect square and what the square root was, and that will help speed things up for you, so you're not wondering so much. So looking at estimating the root of a square number, not precise, but getting you in the ballpark, that's where we're going for. So thanks for checking it out. Good luck on, there's an assignment you can take a look at. I will post a link as well to the interactive that we used in the first part. So as always, take care of yourselves, take care of your families. We miss you, and we will see you soon.